tech enthusiasts everywhere. Today is Tuesday, May 21st, and you're about to become just a little bit smarter by listening to your favorite Smarter Phones Now podcast. Here's what's happening in the World Wide Web of tech. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share this podcast because it's awesome. Seriously, it is awesome. Alright folks, let's dive right into something that's been a game changer for a lot of us. You know how Apple has always kept FaceTime locked up in its walled garden, right? iPhone to iPhone, that's it. Well, guess what? The garden gates have swung open, just a crack, but enough to make a difference. Now, thanks to some clever tech and web browser magic, iPhone users can actually send a FaceTime link to anyone, and I mean anyone, even if they're rocking an Android phone or a Windows PC. Mind blown. So, how does this sorcery work? It's actually pretty straightforward. An iPhone user generates a FaceTime link right from their device, then they share that link through messages, email, or whatever communication app you prefer. The Android or PC user just clicks that link, and it opens up in their web browser, Chrome, Edge, Firefox, you name it. And boom, they're in a FaceTime call. It's not a full-blown app experience for the non-Apple user, but it's a perfectly functional video call, and frankly, it's about time. Now, speaking of functional video calls, let me tell you about our good friend Vinny. Vinny, bless his heart, is an Android man through and through. Loves his Samsung, wouldn't trade it for anything. But Vinny also has this Dr. Anya Sharma, who, let's just say, lives in the Apple ecosystem. Like, really lives there. She's got her iPhone, her iPad, her Mac, the whole shebang. So, Vinny needed a telehealth visit, right? And Dr. Sharma's office sends him the link. Vinny looks at it, and it clearly says, a message. He's like, uh-oh. This isn't going to work. My doctor only has a message and I have an Android phone. He calls the office, a little flustered, trying to explain his Android dilemma. The receptionist, who's probably used to these kinds of calls, calmly tells him, Mr. Moretti, just click the link. It'll open in your browser. Vinny's skeptical, but he gives it a shot. He clicks the link, and wouldn't you know it, his Android phone opens up a browser window, and there's Drive. Sharma, smiling, waving from her iPhone screen. Vinny's jaw dropped. He literally said, and I quote, Doc, you're on my Android. This is witchcraft. Are you using some kind of secret government technology? Drive. Sharma just laughed. She told him, no Vinny, just Apple's new web-based FaceTime. Saves you a trip to the office, doesn't it? Vinny was so impressed, he spent the first 5 minutes of his appointment just gushing about how amazing it was that his Android phone could talk to her iPhone via FaceTime. It was a hilarious start to what was, thankfully, a very routine checkup. So, there you have it, folks. FaceTime bridges are being built, one web link at a time. It's a small step for Apple, but a giant leap for cross-platform communication. And it's making life a little bit easier, and a little bit funnier, for folks like Vinny. This article was produced with the help of AI and some very smart smartphones. This article is for entertainment purposes only.